Hi guys, I want to come on here today to do a quick unboxing of an awesome trade that I just did with the purse fairy, my friend Sue. I'm not going to be in this video much because I am not prepared to be on camera today. My kids are home from spring break and I've been outside sweating all morning, so I really just want to focus on the unboxing and the bag inside. So let's get started. All I did was cut the tape, so I haven't actually looked at this bag yet. I'm really excited about it. So she packed it in a really nice Coach box for me with the paper and everything. I actually think she said this had not even been opened yet, so this is exactly how it came to her from Coach. And you can see the wonderful Coach packaging there. This is definitely like boutique packaging, not outlet. Outlet, you're lucky if you have any type of cushioning in the box. So here it is. It's a big one, and then she sent me another little item that I will get out next. So it came with the dust bag, and here is the big reveal. Oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. It is an Edie 42 in the color plum. Once I saw that she had this bag, I had almost picked it up before when it was on sale, and I didn't because I was worried the size was too big. And honestly, it is pretty big for me, but the embellishments and all the details on this bag are crazy. So I'm not gonna go over everything in this video because I really wanna do an in-depth video on this bag, but I do want to take some of the packaging off and just show you guys like a little sneak peek of the goodies that this bag has to offer, because it has a lot of different types of embellishments on it. So you can see we have some packaging here on the sides, and that is for these long exaggerated, I don't know if I want to call them tassels, but they're part of this whip stitch on the side. It just makes it gives it a little more interest to have something hanging down like that. And then I'll turn to the side here, and you can see I'll pull off this zipper pull thing. So you can see you have this lock option that you have on the other Edies, where you can actually lock the bag. And I'll pull that off. What else is here? This, so you can see, this is like really reminds me of my Prussian blue Rogue, which I have up high right now, with all of the whip stitch detail. It's just amazing the amount of detail that goes into this bag. I mean, look at that, with the metal Coach New York on it. This zipper tape goes all the way along to the bottom. I love the pebbling of this leather. To me, it almost looks like Alexander Wang, the Rocco bags. Feet on the bottom, and then the straps are also detailed with whip stitching. And let's do a quick shot of inside here. What is on the inside? Fabric, purple fabric. It looks like black fabric in the middle section. So the retail on this was $550. Really beautiful bag, great quality. I can't wait to go over all the details with you guys and show you what fits in here and show you mod shots so you know just how big it is. That is the Edie 42 in plum. Look at the color of that suede on the side. Oh my goodness. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so here is the other item that she sent with this trade, and you guys are gonna flip when you see this. I also want to cover these more in detail on my channel, but I want to show you guys a sneak peek. So they're in this Coach box, okay, and they each have their own dust bag. She sent me a complete Wizard of Oz charm collection, and I know these sold out so fast at the outlet. I wish I had picked up the Wizard of Oz line when they had it at my outlet, because I did not realize how fast these would sell. So here's the witch, and let's see what else. I'm just gonna show you one more as a sneak peek, and then I'll do a video about these little guys. And there's the Wicked Witch, the green bear. The green one's pretty cute. I love how plump they are, their bellies. It makes them really adorable. And these are really weighty, heavy charms, like really high quality charms. So I will definitely do a video about the rest of these and show them on my channel in an upcoming video. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this quick little unboxing today. Hope you enjoyed it, and you will leave some comments for me below and any questions you might have about any of these things that you want me to cover specifically when I do the videos for them. All right, guys, I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.